Feeling mo ba, araw-araw kulang ang oras mo? Task pa, deadlines, client calls, revisions from clients. Freelancer life nga naman, parang kulang ang 24 hours. Grabe. Relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Kasi hindi ka nag-iisa. Life of a freelancer is busy. Pero may paraan para mamamanage ang time ko nung freelancer pa ako. Number 1, prioritize tasks. Gawin mo muna yung high-impact work bago yung mga minor tasks. Number 2, time blocking. Schedule ang bawat task sa specific na oras para hindi ka naliligaw sa distraction. Number 3, set boundaries. Kung may client ka, set ang working hours mo para hindi ka laging on call. Number 4, breaks are important. Kapag tuloy-tuloy ang work, burnout agad. Short breaks helps you to focus more. Simple lang, pero game changer kung consistent ka. Don't forget to also reflect on your wins. At the end of the day, tingnan mo kung ano yung mga accomplish mo. Kahit maliit lang, still celebrate your small wins para mas mamotivate ka sa daily progress mo in managing your time. Remember, freelancer life is about quality over quantity. Hindi kailangan mauubos ang sarili mo sa work. Focus sa important task, respetuhin ang oras mo, at makikita mo mas productive ka kahit busy. Step by step lang at everyday improvement counts. Kaya go lang. Kaya mo to.